Hello friends, everyone will let you know how they are in the comments. Today I will talk about Dogecoin. Here is the Dogecoin price prediction in 2022. Doge, the canine-oriented meme coin, is struggling to hold its value with a 30% drop from its 2022 high to today's, 23rd of February, price of $0.1363. Like most of the major altcoins, Doge had followed Bitcoin, BTC, down in the mini crypto quake in January, but while some like ETH have seen a 20% recovery from their low point and even fellow meme SHIB has seen a 10% rise, Doge has only managed 7%. So what happens next? Meme coins are the volatile wing of the already highly volatile crypto sector, and Doge is the pack leader of memes. How much is Dogecoin worth? What value does it offer? What do the latest Dogecoin predictions suggest about the coin's direction and future price? Dogecoin price struggles to advance from July lows. Doge, the coin launched as a satire on the cryptocurrency space, took off last year as it gained popularity on social media and spawned a raft of other dog-themed coins. It reached an all-time Doge to USD high of $0.7376 on 8th of May, a gain of 15,653% from the start of this year. The price quickly fell on a sell-the news response to Elon Musk's appearance on US TV show Saturday Night Live, when he referred to the cryptocurrency as a hustle, having talked it up in previous weeks. The Doge price continued to fall as the broader cryptocurrency market sold off, dropping as low as $0.1607 on 20th of July. Cryptocurrency markets bottomed out on 20th of July, rising in part to a short squeeze on Bitcoin and bullish sentiment after comments made by the likes of Twitter, TWTR, and Square co-founder Jack Dorsey, ARK Invest founder Cathie Wood and Musk during a panel discussion at the B-Word conference, which considered how institutions can adopt cryptocurrency. Market observers and investors such as Mark Cuban noted that as well as investing in Dogecoin, holders tend to use it more than other cryptocurrencies to pay for goods and services. Cuban owns the Dallas Mavericks basketball team, which accepts Dogecoin and several other cryptocurrencies as payment for tickets and merchandise. A total to 1,982 merchants, shops, internet services, hotels and gaming platforms etc., now accept Doge as payment, according to Cryptowork. In September, Musk weighed in again on Doge, tweeting that for the future of Dogecoin its fees should drop to make the coin viable for small transactions. On 14th of January Musk tweeted that company merchandise could be bought with Doge, leading to a 14% boost to the coin price. Earlier this year, he had run a Twitter poll asking if Tesla, TSLA, should accept Doge for payment for its electric vehicles. The company introduced and then later halted Bitcoin payments after concerns were raised about the energy usage of Bitcoin mining. In the latest Dogecoin news, cinema chain AMC started accepting Doge and other cryptocurrencies as payment for digital gift cards as it prepares to accept crypto for online ticket sales. On 6th of November Doge has also lost out to rival Shiba Inu, SHIB, in a Twitter popularity contest in October according to analysis firm Analytics. SHIB came top with 22% of the share compared to Doge's 5th place with a mere 4.8%, perhaps firming up SHIB's reputation as a potential Doge killer. The Doge price moved up to $0.3510 on 16th of August, then declined to $0.1945 on 26th of September, with cryptocurrency prices dipping in late September. Musk had a further impetus for Shiba Inu dog-themed cryptocurrencies to rise on 4th of October, when he tweeted a photo of his puppy in a Tesla vehicle. As prices have rallied sharply in October in response to the launch of the first Bitcoin ETF, ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, Doge has bounced up to trade around the 25 cents level, hitting an intraday high of $0.2714 on 18th of October. It currently, 3rd of February, resides at $0.137, with the market capitalization of $18.1 billion ranking it at 11th on the list of leading cryptos. What is the outlook for the value of Dogecoin, with cryptocurrencies potentially extending the gains? Dogecoin price prediction: will the coin return to previous highs? At the time of writing, 3rd of February, the short-term Dogecoin price analysis from CoinCodex remained bearish. There were 3 indicators giving bullish signals and 27 bearish. There was support at $0.134 down to $0.125, with resistance up at $0.143 to $0.151. CoinCodex predicted that Doge could trade at $0.153 on 8th of February. Longer-term forecasts suggest it could take several years for the coin to surpass its previous all-time high of 74 cents and reach the $1 level. The Dogecoin, Doge/USD, forecast from Wallet Investor predicted the price could reach 32 cents in a year's time and more than treble to $1.04 in 5 years. Based on historical data, Digital Coin sees the Doge price potentially averaging 19 cents in 2022 and 29 cents in 2025, rising to 58 cents by 2029. In the meantime, price prediction puts the average Dogecoin price at 20 cents in 2022, rising to 58 cents in 2025 and $3.90 by 2030. It's important to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets, and meme coins in particular, remain extremely volatile, making it difficult to accurately predict what a coin's price will be in a few hours, and even harder to give long-term estimates. As such, analysts can and do get their predictions wrong. We recommend that you always do your own research, and consider the latest market trends, news, technical and fundamental analysis, and expert opinion before making any investment decision. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. Final words on our Doge predictions for 2022. Dogecoin is the pioneer meme coin and boasts a massive following of the enthusiastic community. In 2021, it rose and touched new highs thanks to an endorsement from Mark Cuban, Elon Musk, and Snoop Dogg. However, it has shed most of its value towards the end of 2021 and is now trading in an area of interest. It is unlikely that the coin will go any lower. Dogecoin Foundation has lined up new projects which will enhance its utility and eventually boost its value. If the bulls regain market control, we could see Doge at a new market high that could be as high as $1. But that will depend on the success of Doge projects and, to some extent, whether Elon Musk tweets about Doge or not. I will make the next video based on your comments, so let me know what you want to get in the video. Everyone will be fine. Stay with Crypto Doctor. Thanks. Hello friends, everyone will let you know how they are in the comments. Today I will talk about Dogecoin. Here is the Dogecoin price prediction in 2022. Doge, the canine-oriented meme coin, is struggling to hold its value with a 30% drop from its 2022 high.